Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1006.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to talk about mining stocks are shining, and that's because mining stocks are really standing out as top performers this year, which was one of my initial predictions at the beginning of the year, if you recall, that this would be the year for precious metals. We've been patiently waiting, and already this year, we see silver up 11.48%, which is in great contrast to the NASDAQ, which is down 14.9% year to date, and the S&P 500, which is down 9.1% year to date. Now, last week was that March volatility that I warned about from March 1 through 6, and now that volatility is behind us, thank goodness. We had a lot of political news and war news in the East, and it's time for us to have a rebound. I think things are going to start to look better, and we're going to start seeing a rebound from here. So if you didn't do any buying last week, this is the good opportunity where prices are still low. Along with silver prices, we're seeing our silver mining stocks do exceptionally well. Mining ETFs like the junior gold miners, GDXJ, up 11.07% year to date. The junior silver miners up 12.42% year to date. And the large mining companies up 16.77% year to date. Again, that's a huge spread. When you look at NASDAQ down almost 15%, large miners up 16%, that's a 31-point difference. That is enormous, and that's huge outperformance that the miners are having. So it's a great thing that we have something like that diversifying our portfolio and having positive performance when it seems like just about everything else is following the major indices. So hang in there, we're through to the other side, and there will still be some volatility this month in March. However, I do still think there's room for good news to give us upside surprises now, like maybe a peace deal in the works, or maybe oil prices coming down, certainly interest rates not increasing as much as initially was expected at the beginning of the year. We've already started to see interest rates weaken a little bit, settle down, and decline a bit, which also leads us to believe that the Federal Reserve might only increase 0.25% in this first half of the year. And as I predicted at the beginning of the year, I'm only thinking that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates twice this year for a total of 0.5% through the whole year. So if we get one raise of interest rates in the next month and then another raise on the back half of the year, that might be about right. I also have some good news today because we're announcing our winners of the book review contest. As you recall, for leaving a book review on Amazon for 3 Steps to Quantum Wealth, the Wealth Heiress's Guide to Financial Freedom by Investing in Cryptocurrencies, you were automatically entered into a drawing. And today is the day I'm announcing the winners of that drawing. 25 people are winning an autographed copy of 3 Steps to Quantum Wealth. So let me share with you the names of those winners. Number 1 is Ellen V. Number 2 is Michael Bibliowicz. Number 3 is Scott Paulson. Number 4 is Sherry Z. Number 5 is Chi Curley. That's Chicurly. Number 6, Dawn Griffin. Number 7, Mary Ackert, Ackert. Number 8, Ted Doss. Number 9, Nancy F. Number 10, the initials CS, like Charlie Sam. Number 11, Shannon Abbey. Number 12, Miriam Lopez. Number 13, Jack McClafferty. Number 14, Amazon customer. So you didn't have a name, but in your review you said an up-to-date and simple approach. Number 15, Denise. Number 16, Robert Dial. Number 17, Nashville Gal. Number 18, Christy Streit, Streit. Number 19, Sam. Number 20, Deirdre A. Johnson. Number 21, Brian Murphy. Number 22, Lori Tyree. Number 23 is Michelle Parker. Number 24 is Raed Kadida. And number 25 is Beth Patterson. If I've read your name, congratulations. You've won an autographed copy of 3 Steps to Quantum Wealth. All you need to do is email me at lpjhome@gmail.com with winner in the subject line. And let me know if you'd like me to personalize the book to you or someone else, or if you just want an autographed copy. If you say nothing, I'll just sign my name. If you ask for how you'd like me to sign it, I can sign it to a person's name and put a little message in there. Whatever you'd like, let me know. I'll also need your mailing address where you'd like me to mail the book to. Next is the winner of $100 of XRP, and that goes to Adele Michael. Next is the winner of a wealth mentoring session with me, and that goes to Pablo G. Arosemena, Arosemena, Arosemena. And the winner of lifetime access to the Be Wealthy and Smart VIP experience is Chelsea Barros, Barros. If I've called your name for the winner of XRP or a wealth mentoring session or the VIP experience, please email me at lpjhome@gmail.com with winner in the subject line, and let me know 2 or 3 dates and times that you're available to talk so we can schedule a time. I know I went through those very quickly, so I will put these in the show notes as well, so you can take a look in the show notes and see if your name is there. Thank you so much, everyone who wrote a review. They mean so much to me. I hope you continue to write reviews for the book. And I'm also excited to let you know that I'm working on the audiobook diligently. It got a little bit delayed because of COVID, but I am in process on the audiobook. So hopefully that will be out in 30 to 45 days, something like that. I'm hoping. I'm doing my best to get it out quickly for you. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.